Eunice, and today is Sunday. I think it's like 2 something in today, and all that. I have not done this. This will be my first time pulling orders and so forth. But today I'm going to pull some of the orders that I do have that I've gotten this weekend. I do have like 5. Now I did just pull these shoes. These are the Kate Spade heels here. So these things are going to be shipped out tomorrow, so I'm going to go ahead and pull these, pack these up and all that good stuff. And I'm just showing you how I actually, get all this stuff together. So that is one of the orders. And go in here and this tote bag did sell, so got this one, and also I got 3 books to ship out, so I'm going to be pulling those as well. So here, I'm going to turn you around and let you see me get the books here. I think all the books I'm looking for is in this section here. I can't actually believe someone finally purchased this Superpower Showdown. I guess with all that's going on now, we're still having this Superpower Showdown. Okay, so that's one of the books. Okay. Okay. Here is the other book, The Wild Shores of North America. I just got this book too a couple days ago, so this was actually a fast seller. So this book here, and find the other book. And I remember what the books are and this and that because there wasn't that many books, and I remember they were in this section here and all that. Okay, found it. And this is one of my favorite authors here, Sue Grafton. I've read so many of her books. I have not read this one and a couple other ones at the end of the alphabet, but she does the alphabet mysteries and so forth, and they are so good. So good. So good. Okay, so I do have these 5 orders and everything, and I'm going to go ahead and start putting these together. So I got these 3 books here to ship out and everything. And I'm going to go ahead and take the paper out and start to process this here. And I'm just going to do just this one, and I'm going to do the other stuff off the thing. But I did show you how I packaged the handbags before, so I'm going to show you how I'm going to package this. And I just showed you not long ago how I how I actually packaged the books and so forth. So what I do, I'm going to take this stuffing out here and save it for another bag. And of course it's clean. I just had this bag looking at it, so I'm going to go ahead and put some papers in here. Okay, the paper's not there. I got this big roll of paper to wrap clothing, but I also use it to stuff the handbags and so on. Still keep them good and everything once they get shipped. I still like for the handbags to be stuffed. So now it's just stuffed with the paper. And I'm going to zip it back up. And don't forget the zippers is not broke on these bags and so far. What is happened is this is the way Coach makes these bags and so far, so that you can open them wide and all that good stuff. Why, I do not know. But they are quick and easy to zip back, and also you can wear it open. Yeah, I'm just clumsy and always having issues with these bags and so forth. But yeah, all you do is just, zip it like that. So basically, this is ready to go, already stuffed. I'm going to go ahead and put it in this paper. I'm going to use pink. I always wrap my bags in pink paper wrapper, fold it up like that, and all that good stuff. And like this. Then I'm just going to tape it up. Tape it up like this. You might not can see what I'm doing, but I'm just taping this up. And I just ran out of tape, but I'm going to use this because I don't want to take the time and put now another piece on like this second. And I'm going to do this. It doesn't take me long at all to wrap the bags up. And so this is me wrapping it up already, and then I'm just going to wrap it in bubble wrap and so forth. And then the next step will be putting it in a poly mailer and getting it ready to go. I'll re-save these bags. This is going to go into one of these pink poly mailers. And let's see, this place is still kind of junky. Okay, but I'm going to clean it up as soon as I finish wrapping these packages and getting the labels and so forth. But, yeah, I'm just going to show you that. Yeah. And we're going to... Okay, sorry if I'm in your light. Okay, let's see here. We're going to... And it's ready to go. I'm not sealing it up just yet because simple fact of it is I've got to put the invoice and all that stuff in, but this is ready to go right here. And I'm going to do one, show you how I do shoes real quick, and that will be that. Let me get these bags up because they just irritate me to be laying out. Okay, so I'm going to use a, I guess, shoe box. Hopefully I can get it going without going through chaos, and chaos. Okay, where you at, shoe box? Okay. Let's see. I hate some things. Oh, sorry about that. I'm grabbing a shoe box. I think I'm going to ship these in the shoe box and so forth. If I can grab one real quick. If not, I'll just have to shoot it in another box and everything. But I did want to do it in the shoe box. Okay, should have had that out, but did not. Okay, come on, shoe box. Always a mess. Okay. Okay, here we go. Got it. A struggle. I need to find a better way for these boxes here. Shoe box. I'm going to ship this in a shoe box. Whew. And I'm not going to seal this up either, or anything, but I'm going to show you how I package it. So, they were so cute. So cute. And I like to keep them wrapped up like they are and so forth, so I'm going to do that, wrap this one here back up. And that's because I just like for them not to be rubbing against each other and everything. And I'm actually going to do this number as well. I'm going to wrap both of them up in this here. Hopefully that will work out just fine. Dude, I don't know if it's going to work out just fine or not. But here we go. We're going to do this. I'm going to put a little piece of tape here. And I do this because, yeah, perfect. Okay. And we're going to do this as well. And then we're going to, now, I use not just paper, but I also use bubble things as well for the shoes and everything. I don't want no damage to them, so I'm going to put some peanuts in here. And then top it off with some paper. So I'm going to put some peanuts in here. That's good. And Now, the ideal is to make sure the shoes does not have room to be moving around, flopping here, flopping there. So, we're going to do more. To secure them in a better position. And then we're going to put some paper on top. And then we're going to do, I know it's a lot. I know. It's crazy. And I'm just going to fold this out and put it on top. And the shoes are packed and ready to go. I just need to put the invoicing stuff in here and seal that up. So this is the shoe. And so you don't hear anything moving around. So, got 2 orders packed and everything. So all I have left is the 3 books, which I'll do that off on camera. And I thank you guys for joining me on this Sunday with me packaging and package up this order. As you can see, it does not take long to do this and everything. And I will come back in and put the labels and all that good stuff on them later on this afternoon when I package up the books. And that will be it. Thank you guys. I'll talk with you on the next video.